Hi, namaste to all viewers. Myself Suman from Krishna Pulse, Jubilee Hills Road number 36, located near metro station.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. 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 This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah, in this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring. And I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. 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 Yeah, I just wanna be great.
Very beautiful. This also inside is nylon silk thread, very strong thread. And this also placed backside is dory. You can increase or decrease the length. You can see once you can see. See the luster and glitters coming. Very awesome piece, special piece this is. Very rarely you get this type of pulse. Normally you get all types of shapes, but this shape is very rare. And this is also useful for both ladies and gents. For gents also sherwani, it is looks very nice. One second. See how beautiful is this. Beautiful piece. And it is long string. One more advantage is it is very reasonable price, just around 12,000 only, and 136 carats weight is. This is a lucky piece if you get very reasonable price. Very 12,000 is very good price. Normally you are not get this type of price range in this price range. And third piece is very beautiful piece. You can see this is called as peach color. It is very different color, shades also different, pink and peach. And see the size of the pearl, very big size, around 15 to 20 size. And inside is nylon silk thread. Back side is fancy clip only. See, one side is uneven, one side is round. Very beautiful piece, big size. This is called as a baroque shape. Baroque shape. Uneven shape is called as baroque shape, and it is also useful for both ladies and gents. You can see. If you want more length, you can place a dory also backside. And our request, we will provide the dory also. See, each is a different shape. Each pearl is in different shapes. Looks very natural look. It gives the natural look. Beautiful piece. And this weight is 174 grams. Price is 43,500 approximately. And today you will get 20%, straight 20% discount on this. Very beautiful piece. See how nice. The touch also different. Beautiful. These what the showing I am showing is each one is different. Normally you are not get. These are very special pieces which are especially provided for you only. Especially these are rare collections. Normally you will get plain strings in normal shapes, but these are very rare collections, and you will definitely get the compliments if you wear this one especially. This is the reason our Krishna Pulse is so special, due to these collections. And one more next thing is, this is some different model with cut stones, cut semi-precious stones in 3 rows. This is also graduation, smaller to bigger size. In this we are newly added in between is silver chakris or silver balls. That's why it is giving more glitters. You can see. This is mixed with peridot stones and tourmaline stones. See, this is graduation around 4 to around 10 You can see that glitters. This is cut capsule type stones. Complete natural stones these are. And the peridot is also different shapes, darker one, lighter one, peridot, and tourmaline also lighter one, darker one. In the same stones also different shades. That is very rare to get. And this also with dory, you can decrease the length. This is also useful for both ladies and gents, unisex. You can see how beautiful. This is the special piece for your functional wear. And these are natural stones. Inside is nylon silk thread and silver. Nothing will happen if water touches also. And these are only one single pieces only. So hurry up for if you like these products. Because these are available one pieces only. After sold out, it is not possible to get the same piece. So that the specialty of these strings. Oh, beautiful. And each stone, the cuts are given. See how many cuts are given. Due to that, cuts glitters will come in. See, if you see, it is looking like diamond sparklings due to that cuts. Very beautiful. From the long distance in front of lights, sun, it gives very glittering. Total functional wear. We are placed in between silver balls. If you want gold balls also, we have option. And next, one more piece is It's silver base with the combination of earrings. Total set this one, 2 line. In between silver with gold polished ones. CJ's combination. See how beautiful is this. Complete round pulse. See the earrings also for this. And this is very traditional and very our old model, but very preferable model. See complete good luster in this complete round ones. In between we are added not gold silver and that gold polish. These are cubic zircons, we call as CJs. And this is also graduation. Now graduation is becoming very fashion. Most of the customers are asking graduation smaller to bigger size. Starts from 5 mm to up to 9 mm. And for earrings also we provided 2 rows. Very beautiful, and this is also step by step process. Very beautiful, and in this one more advantage is this is multi-purpose. If sometimes you can use as a stud, or sometimes with hanging, or you can use the hanging in your other earring studs. And if you want to increase the length, just keep the dory backside, and then it is useful for both gents and ladies. What all I am showing is multi-purpose uses, both ladies and gents. See how glitters. It's very beautiful piece. Most of the customers prefers this type of design. That's why I told this is our specialty design from long years onwards. Backside is just silver clips. This is the same option we have available. If you want with gold base also, we will provide. This is a silver base, and this is very reasonable price, just 17,000 total set, including earrings 17,000 and 20% discount in this also. And next we will show a special piece, choker. Very rare. Generally chokers means in pearls or rubies you will get. This is coral. We are provided with the coral. This is neck and V-shaped choker. This is also not round one, V-shape. Very special piece. You can see closely. It's a complete round pulse these are. Backside is silver fancy clip only. This is a complete round pulse, and see the luster of the pulse also. This is also inside nylon silk thread. This is the very special work done by our workers. Normally it is very difficult work. It takes totally 1 or 2 days to make this one. And we have newly added the coral. Generally with white pulse choker you can see, but these are corals also we are added. This is neck shape only. Neck size only it will come, not long one. Neck only it will come. Just I am showing how it is looking. This beautiful piece, and this is price is 18,500. Due to this round pulse, the price is like that. And in this also you will get 20% discount. And in this especially you will get the matching bracelet. See, Beautiful bracelet. This is optional only. If you want the matching bracelet, you will get. It's also complete white pearls, sides coral stones, and coral color. See the coral color also. Italian coral, light color, decent. It looks like decent look with fancy gold polished clip. You want some other bracelet, different designs. These are called as button shape. With silver base and the silver balls. Generally you will get with round pearls, but this is a different shape. See how beautiful. These bracelets are also very reasonable prices. This is just 1700, and this is elastic one. Size is no problem. See how beautiful it is looking. And price is also very reasonable, 1700, and that also 20% discount. And see one more. If you prefer round pearls, you can see this is round pearl single line bracelet. Around 15 grams, just 4,500 rupees. Due to roundness, how beautiful this is. You have options if you want to, according to your size, increase or decrease. This is standard length, 6.5 inches. Clip is generally we will provide the silver fancy clip. If you want gold clip also, we have option. Beautiful piece. See the roundness and the glitters coming due to this round and luster one. The glitters are coming. One more last beautiful piece I am showing you. Earrings with combination of silver. Generally these types of earrings you will get with gold and pole keys, but this is with silver and color stones and natural freshwater pearls. See how beautiful is this. Total functional wear, this one. Here in the middle we provide the red stone and green stones. Very beautiful. Price is just 18,700. It's looking like around 2 lakhs piece, but just 18,700. Very beautiful. Each is done by our workmanship. You can see our workers how they done. Very beautiful. We have our own manufacturing unit. We will take the orders also. If you want any changes also, we will do. Very beautiful piece. See once again our collections totally what I am showed today. This is ruby capsule type, tarbuja type. This is called as uncut ruby. This is baroque shape, total milky white 4-line string. This is peach color, baroque shape pearls. This is semi-precious stones with cut stones in between silver balls. This is very round pearls with including the set with silver base and gold polish and sea jets. And this is the V-shaped choker, newly wear provide sides corals. Beautiful piece, matching bracelets. You want 1 line, 2 line, or anything. And very beautiful, lastly very beautiful silver earrings. Looks like gold and diamonds. Yes, it is. And last, once again, if you want more designs to see, visit our Krishna Pearls, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. We have free shipping all over India. And our WhatsApp number is 9248 036721 for any queries. And we have online website also, www.krishnapulse.com. For more designs, follow our Instagram and Facebook. Like, see our addresses: Instagram.com Krishnapulse Hyderabad, Facebook.com